I am about to share with you the pre-market analysis for 29 September 2024. This is the pre-market analysis I have done, and I am going to explain these levels for you to mark for tomorrow's price action. These are the highly profitable trade locations and swing highs, swing low levels, supply demand zones, virgin CPR, all the important supports and resistances to look after for tomorrow is discussed here. Now let's analyze what is the trend of the indices. Then we go to swing highs, swing lows, swing highs, lows, supply and demand zones, virgin CPR, what is the trend, everything. Now let's go here. The trend in Bank Nifty has changed from uptrend to downtrend. You can see the last trading day is a big trending day. So in this trend, the trend has changed from uptrend to downtrend, whereas Nifty remains in uptrend. So tomorrow is going to be a tricky day. That Bank Nifty wants to push the price lower and Nifty wants to push the price upper. So you have to take your decisions really very cautious. So this is the trend, and I'm expecting a sideways bearish day in Bank Nifty, a sideways bearish day in Bank Nifty, and a bullish trending day in Nifty, which is in uptrend. This is the main pre-market analysis. Now let's see what is the swing high, swing low levels. The swing high for Bank Nifty is 54,462, which is this 54,000. This red line is the swing high, and swing low is marked, but there is no significance because the price is at all-time high. Okay, there is no very significant significance about swing low. Now let's go to, in the case of Nifty, Nifty's swing high and low levels. All-time high, Nifty is at all-time high, and the swing high is 26,277. Now the swing high is this, the red mark, which is the all-time high and the swing high. So swing low also marked, but there is no significance for this level as the price stays near the all-time high. Supply and demand zones. The supply zone for Bank Nifty is this area, which is 54,342. Okay, and the demand zone also marked 53,000. You can see here, this is the demand zone, 53,792. And now we have marked the turning point also. Turning point is something that breaks out of some level and it sustains. Hope you understand. Turning point is something that breaks out of some level and it's sustained like this. Okay, so it breaks out of the initial balance low the last trading day, so we marked it as the turning point. This could act as a support when the price stays above this area. If the price like above, it could act as support. If the price is below, it could act as resistance. Okay, this is how we have to look for turning points. Now let's come to the supply and demand zones for Nifty. The demand zone for Nifty is 26,000 and supply zone is 26,277. The swing high, the all-time high, and the supply zone is same. So this level is having some significance tomorrow. So I am going to make this level little bold, so that in the live market I could know that this level is going to be having some significance. Now, okay, the highly profitable trade locations for Nifty and Bank Nifty are, first I would like to say about Nifty, the 26,200, 26,250, 26,100. These are the significant levels, highly profitable trade locations for tomorrow. Now let's come to Bank Nifty. As we are expecting a sideways bearish day, we have to be bearish in the market. The bearish highly profitable trade locations are 54,200 and 54,000 as well as 53,600. These are the highly profitable trade locations. The price reacts at these levels some big moves will happen from these sort of highly profitable trade locations. Okay, there could be some trend changing moves can happen at these areas, or trending markets can happen at this moment. For example, this is bearish, right? There is a higher chance to trend from this pivot to next pivot. There are chances, the probability is high when compared to other levels of the chart. Okay, so this is the pre-market analysis, and please subscribe my channel. If you feel like this is a valuable content, share this in your trading community, and if at all any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.